Happy Vlogmas Day 20! Is it really the 20th of December, B? Oh my gosh, I need to get some other presents. Uh-oh! Our little coldy baby. It was so coldy. It's just ridiculous, but she's doing so well again. But you did have a really good sleep, didn't you, baby? Yeah? Yeah? 7:30 to 6:45. That is absolutely fine by me. Yes, sweetheart. Oh. I don't know if you can see just how, like, how her eyes are running and stuff. Yes, poor little rabbit. But we're going to be out of it very soon, and then we can celebrate Christmas all feeling well. See you in a bit, guys. So the wonderful Stephen has cleared the shelf. Well, he's basically put all his booze in a box. Not all, but, you know, the not amazing stuff that he wants to keep. And I've got this shelf space, which is amazing. Sorry, hello, losing my voice. So these boxes are full of like baby stuff basically, and I'm gonna put hopefully fit all 4 there because I've actually got 2 more, and then I can have all the cooking stuff up here and try and like clear these shelves a bit more. So that is really good news. Yay! I'll show you this before and I'll show you an after, hopefully in a few minutes time. Hey, 101, why can't you see us in the Why can't you what? 1, 2, 3. One shepherd was there, was by night, was seated on the ground. The angel of the Lord came down and glory shone around. Did not send people mighty bread and seized their troubled mind. Glad tidings of great joy I bring to you and all mankind. Today found his baby born of David's line. The Savior who is Christ the Lord, and this shall be the sign. The happy baby there shall find to you the new display. Thank you so much.
Cystic fibrosis charity.
Hi guys! Hi George! Hi! Busy Bub! That's Mummy. Hello darling! She's like there, but I obviously can't film us ice skating, but we're really good.
Definitely, you're missing
you
out.
You are actually quite good. I'm going to be clinging onto the sides.
No, you're good, you're good.
But yeah, it's really cute here. Look, I'll show you. You can't really see, but... What did you think, George?
Amazing!
So
I loved it. So good.
You ready, little one? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Over fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha, those bobtails ring, making spirits bright. How fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Yay! Hey guys! Okay, so that was a really tough one getting B down. We had a really silly car journey back that she napped in because she was really upset, so we were like, just sleep, and that was about 6 o'clock, so we knew it was going to be a tough one. It's now 9:10 and Stephen like finally got her to sleep, which is amazing. But I am just doing a bit of cooking, doing pasta pesto, classic, and tidying up the kitchen. So I thought I'd do my, favourite thing. But also, I'm aware that the washing machine is on as always, and everything's loud in here, so hopefully you can hear me. But yeah, I haven't told you so many things that are coming up. So tomorrow I've got one of my best friend's weddings, so I'm singing at it as well. I'm singing at the service, so I don't know how much filming I'll do tomorrow, but yeah, basically we've got a lovely wedding. It's quite far out of London, it's in Gloucestershire, so it's going to be a long drive. We're dropping B and Hobbs off on the way. We were going to take B, but actually because I'm singing and it's just very complicated, and because she's still got this awful cold, we're like, let's leave her with her Nonny and Bappa. So we're dropping them off on the way, her and Hobbs, going to the wedding, and then coming back there, staying the night. I mean, we'll be back at like 2 in the morning, so, joining them for the rest of the night. And then in the morning, we were meant to have packed before we left tomorrow, but there's no way we're going to do that tonight. There's just no way. So then we're going to pack in the morning on Sunday, and then we go up to Liverpool because we're going to spend Christmas with Stephen's parents, which is so exciting. We've never done that before. It's my first Christmas away from my family, so it's going to be a real transition, and I am going to miss them a lot, but I'm so excited because I know how much of an effort Stephen's parents are going to make, and they're going to just make B feel so special, and it's just going to be really lovely and really different, and you know what, I'm ready for that. So yeah, it's exciting. And so now I'm just trying to do last minute tidy up the kitchen. I've been sorting these shelves out, they're looking a lot better, I'll show you in a minute. And eat some food, so hungry. Let's eat some food. So I'll leave you, oh, just knocking things off. I'll leave you with that. So before, oh yeah, there's boxes everywhere because we have to pack things away, like the sterilizer and the formula machine and all that stuff. So there's a lot of boxes everywhere. But yeah, it's a bit of a mess. So see you in a bit. Supper's ready, muck and see up as my mum always said, and there are the shelves finished and done. And although it still looks a bit disorganised, it's definitely a lot better than it was. Right, I want to eat.